Dude, my boy! Hell yeah. Oh shit.
Fucking wild, my guy.
I'm gonna do a little one, it won't be long, but... Oh, tar. Fuck.
I tried to scrape and went way too far. That was a bad idea. I need to stop.
I need to stop.
When you have a crowd, dude.
I have a crowd. I'm like, you guys both scraped. It's like, I can probably do that, and I did it. Fucking mouse shot the shit out of myself.
I just try to keep going. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah, boyos.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh.
Oh
Fuck
yeah.
you, Berkley.
Hell yeah, Berk. Hell yeah, Berk.
Let's fucking go, baby.
If I can get a quick spin in.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Fuck yeah.
Your front tire just skidded.
Welcome.
I felt the skid. I didn't try to go into a stoppie super hard, but...
Woo! Woo! Oh yeah.
I hate going after them, Michael.
I'm gonna get a little bit of speed ready.
What are you doing?
I almost stalled my shit.
Oh, stoppy gang? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, fuck yeah, Berk.
Use that and then come around the corner with a little bit of speed and you can get a little fast. Hell yeah, Michael.
You're good, I'm just watching you, by the way.
Alright, Mitchell, side to side firsts.
With Berk right there?
Well, after
There
them.
we go, dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Dude, the foot drag Ralph Louis are sick.
Fucking
Alright,
good,
Mitchell.
bud.
That's fucking weird.
But I did fucking tried to scrape because I'm a dumbass.
Hell yeah, dude.
I was like, those two went and I was like, they scraped. I was like, I could probably get close. I wonder how close I got because it fell pretty far.
Dude, that is some fucking lean right there.
Hell yeah, dude. Your fucking axle slider's like that close to the fucking ground,
See it,
dude.
Mitchell?
Woo! Hell yeah, the one hand off, one leg off. Dude, fuck yeah, dude.
Dante!
Woo! I'm fucking hot. What? Yeah, it's hot. I need to take out this windbreaker. I'm dying.
Dying.
Holy cow. Oh.
I need a minute. Holy shit.
What? What'd you say?
I said, don't stare at me in that tone of voice.
Okay, I won't. I'm sorry. It won't happen again, Chief. I'm sorry.
How was it?
It was good, man. Dude, there were so many people there. It was crazy.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah.
Kick back up.
We got a fierce competitor.
We're on to 125. That ain't bad.
Alright, one more time, Grom.
I'd say the Grom.
Alright, Integra.
Hey, give us the go.
Alright, so let's hear it for the Grom. Integra. Alright, we got a 3 versus 1 action going on.
Just him. Break. Stand up back. Break. We're just here for height.
The Integra needs a break, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, can we get a couple pushes from some people?
Is he done?